Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer Halloween Pillsbury sugar cookies. Let's begin. We have here the gold sugar cookie and also the pumpkin sugar cookie. And let's open it up. We just about have everything ready to go, and let's preheat the air fryer. But before we preheat the air fryer, we're going to put some tin foil into the basket. Fold it smaller if you need to, so it fits perfectly in the basket. There we go, looking good. And let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button, and we're going to preheat it to 350 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer is preheated. Let's put in the cookies. Before we put the cookies in, we're just going to spray some cooking oil. There we go. Now let's put in the cookie. There we go. Make sure they're nicely spaced out, and let's put it in. We're going to put it in at 350 degrees for a total time of 8 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 8 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking good. We're going to take it out of the basket and let it cool. We're going to let it cool for 5 minutes and we'll be back. We let the cookies cool down for 5 minutes and now let's remove them. So you can see they come off real easy. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer Halloween Pillsbury sugar cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.